Trigonometry ratios. This is right angle triangle ABC. This right angle triangle having three sides, 1, 2, 3. So we take angle at A. From here, this is the opposite side. We also call short form, we also write like this. From here, adjacent is, this is the adjacent side. We also write short form as is. This is the hypotenuse. Using this right angle triangle, we can find some values. Sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is BC divided by hypotenuse AC. Cos A is equal to, from angle at A, adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is AB. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. AB by AC. Tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is BC. Adjacent is AB. If we remember these three values, we can easily find another three values. Sin opposite is cosecant A, cos opposite is secant A, tan opposite is cot A. So we can write sin opposite cosecant A. Cosecant A is, we can write sin value reverse. This is upper side, this is the bottom side. Hypotenuse divided by opposite. This also reverse. AC upside, BC downside. And cos opposite, we can write this as reverse. This as upper side, this as downside. And tan opposite is cot. We can write this as reverse. This upside, this is downside. This also bottom, this is upside, this is downside. This is right angle triangle ABC. Angle at C side. Angle at C. So from here, from angle at C, opposite side is, this is the opposite side. From here, the adjacent is, this is the adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. So here at angle C, we can find sin C, cos C, tan C. Sin C is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. From C, opposite is, this is the opposite, AB is the opposite, hypotenuse is AC, and cos C is equal to adjacent is BC, adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is BC, hypotenuse is AC, tan C is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AB and adjacent is BC. Now we will start problems. This is the problem 1. If tan A is equal to 6 by 8, find sin A cos A. A, B, C. Given is tan A, that is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is from angle A, opposite is 6 and adjacent is 8. Here, as per Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Here, as per Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square we have to find AB square is equal to 8 square plus BC square is equal to 6 square. 8 square is 64, 6 square is equal to 36, so that is 100. This is AC square. AC is equal to root of 100. AC is equal to 10. So we find AC is equal to 10. Find sin A. Sin A equal to opposite by hypotenuse, that is equal to opposite is 6, hypotenuse is 10, and cos A value, cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, that is equal to adjacent is 8, hypotenuse is 10. So this problem is over. Then second problem, if cosecant A is equal to 5 by 3, then find all other trigonometric ratios. A, B, C, angle at A. Cosecant A means opposite to sin A, that is hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. As per Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to 5 square. AB square we have to find. BC square is equal to 3 square. AB square is equal to 5 square. This 3 square comes this side minus 3 square. 5 square equal to 25. 3 square equal to 9. It is 16. AB square, AB is equal to root of 16, AB is equal to 4. So this is the 4 value. Find all other trigonometric ratios. Sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, opposite divided by hypotenuse 3 by 5. Cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, that is adjacent by hypotenuse 4 divided by 5, and tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent 3 by 4. So sine opposite cosecant, already given cosecant value, so we don't want to find cosecant value. Cos opposite secant A, that is our reverse, right reverse, this upside, this downside. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent, that is reverse 5 by 4. Cot A is equal to tan opposite, this upside, this downside. Adjacent by opposite, right reverse 4 by 3. So this problem is over. Going to next problem. If AB is equal to 12, BC is equal to 5, then find tan A, cot A, tan C, cot C. ABC, angle at A. Given AB is equal to 12, BC is equal to 5. As per Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square we have to find. AB is 12 square plus 5 square. That is 12 square 144 plus 5 square 25. That is 169. AC square. AC is equal to root of 169. That is equal to AC is equal to 13. So we have to find tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent 5 by 12. Cot A is equal to, we can write reverse this 12 by 5. Otherwise adjacent by opposite side. That is equal to opposite by adjacent. This is adjacent by opposite. This right angle triangle ABC. Here angle we can take at C, because we have to find tan C, cot C. So from here here this is the opposite, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. From here this is opposite, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. From here this is opposite, from here this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. So values given is 12, 5, 13. Tan C is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan C is equal to here, from here angle at C, from here opposite by adjacent, that is equal to opposite is 12 divided by adjacent is equal to 5. Cot C is equal to from here adjacent by opposite, that is equal to adjacent is 5, opposite is equal to 12. So this problem is over. Coming to next problem. If 10 cos A is equal to 8, then find secant A, cosecant A. So given is equal to 10 cos A is equal to 8. Cos A is equal to 8 by, it comes here, that is divided by 10. ABC cos A means adjacent 8 by hypotenuse 10. Using Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Using this Pythagoras theorem, we can find the other side. If they are giving two sides, we can find other side. AC square is equal to 10 square, AB square is equal to 8 square, plus BC square we have to find. BC square is equal to 10 square, it comes this side minus 8 square, that is equal to 100 minus 64, that is equal to 36. AC square, AC is equal to root of this, AC is equal to 6, this is 6. We have to find secant A is equal to opposite to cos. We can write reverse this, that is also we can call hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is 10, adjacent is 8. And cosecant A. Cosecant A is opposite to sin A, that is hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse is 10, opposite side is 8. Opposite side is hypotenuse is 10, opposite side is 6. So this problem is over. Coming to fifth problem. If tan A is equal to 7 by 24, then find 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Angle at A. Tan A means opposite by adjacent. 7 is opposite, adjacent 24. Using Pythagoras theorem, AC square we have to find. AB square is equal to 24 square plus BC square is equal to 7 square, that is 576 plus 49, that is equal to 625. AC is equal to 25. So given is this one. A plus B into A minus B, we know that formula. A plus B into A minus B, that is equal to A square minus B square. We know that this formula. So we can write A plus B into A minus B means A square minus B square. Also here also A plus B into A minus B, 1 square minus cos square A. Here is equal to 1 square means 1 minus sin square A divided by 1 square means 1 minus cos square A. Here sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse 7 by 25. Cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So 1 minus sin square 7 by 25 square divided by 1 minus cos is equal to 24 by 25 square, that is equal to 1 minus 49 divided by 625 whole divided by denominator 1 minus 576 divided by 625, that is 625 minus 49, 576 divided by 625 minus 576, 49. This 625 cancel. So given is this equal to this value. This problem is over. Make mathematics easy as practice made perfect in mathematics. Do more mathematics homework that makes you perfect in mathematics. This is your homework. After you finish homework, you can check your homework with this. That's all this video.